Hello, and welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official Five Nights at Freddy's cookbook. Today, we're making Freddy's Garlicky pizza twirls and spicy dip, thanks to this comment. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what I make next in the comments below. To start off, you're going to make the Pizzaplex master dough, which requires you to grab a generous 1.5 cups of lukewarm water, then add 2 1/4 teaspoons of yeast and a teaspoon of sugar, and let sit until foamy. Now, you're going to combine 3 3/4 cups of flour, 2/3 of a cup of fine semolina, and a teaspoon of salt in a medium bowl. Once it's combined, you're going to make a well in the center and add your yeast water and 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Now you mix it with either the back of a wooden spoon or what I'm using, the dough hook attachment for a stand mixer. Now you want to turn out your dough onto a floured surface and knead it until it springs back at a light poke. And then just put it into a bowl greased with olive oil and let rise for about an hour in a warm place. The pizza twirls recipe only requires 1 ball of Pizzaplex dough, so you're going to now roll this dough into a log and cut it into 4 even pieces, and you can put the other 3 pieces that you're not using in a bag in the freezer. Now you roll your dough ball out into a rectangle, which about 35 by 20 centimeters or 14 by 8 inches in length. Now for the sauce, you want to press the juices out of a 400 milliliter can of sliced tomatoes through a sieve. Then, to your tomato juice, you add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, a teaspoon of dried oregano, half a teaspoon of sugar, and salt and pepper to taste. Then you just mix it all together, no cooking involved. Now, for the pizza twirls, you want to spread a mixture of 2 tablespoons of butter, 3 cloves of garlic, and a teaspoon of parsley on your freshly made dough rectangle. Now, you just put the sauce on top and add how much cheese you like. It's a mixture of mozzarella and parmesan. The recipe asks for half a cup of mozzarella and a tablespoon of parmesan, but I'm not going to tell you how to control your cheese. Now, you roll it up like a cinnamon roll, and then cut it with a serrated knife, like a cinnamon roll, and then put it in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 10-ish minutes, and you're good to go. And finally, to make the dipping sauce, you just take some of your pizza sauce, add a quarter of a teaspoon of hot pepper flakes, and a tablespoon of olive oil. But honestly, the olive oil doesn't really do much and just kind of made it separate, so you can forego it if you want. These were so good. They were like bombs of pizza just directly into your mouth. I would definitely make these again. 8.5 out of 10.